Hi, I'm Sam, the installation manager here at Vivant. It's come a long way actually since the beginning. We've added a few companies. We started out as a single security company and doing cameras, that sort of thing, and we've evolved into multi-companies with Vivant, Milagro, Utilico. And as far as Vivant is concerned, that's really our AVS side, which is what we were at the beginning. And we've incorporated all sorts of different low voltage things in that process. And so we've evolved from just doing cameras to anything low voltage now. The most difficult thing is making sure people show up on time. That's really the hardest part. As far as making sure that we do what we need to do once we're there, that's really not hard. We've established our different SOPs, for lack of a better term, to get the jobs done properly when we're installed. And so we take our time at the beginning and create workflows and create checklists and how we actually want things installed. In fact, that's what I'm going to start doing for Dave's Hot Chicken here today. I've had over 40 cars now, anywhere from like a Civic. I actually own a Prius also, all the way up to not anything exotic, but Civics have been some of my favorite cars to drive. I've driven Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches. My absolute dream would be to have a GT3 RS. That's why my profile picture is a GT3 RS. It's a toss-up between the GT3 RS and the GT3 on what I'll actually end up getting. I will get one day though. We actually do a lot of board games, so we spend a lot of time doing board games. My favorite stuff are things like Christmas time. We do Secret Santa type thing. We call it a drop and run. It's really kind of fun because what we'll do is we'll just get things for the person that we're going to drop them off at and wrap them up, and then as a group we'll have 5 to 10 people go up to the door, drop the gifts, and then knock and run. And so we film it typically, and so it's a lot of fun for the whole family at that point. I love that part of the year.